Hey you guys, and welcome back to DAT Family5. On today we'll be getting a Ikea table together in the backyard. I really hope y'all enjoyed this content. If you haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe down below. Make sure you like this video if you like our vibe, and don't forget to comment who you are, where you from, and do you like putting Ikea stuff together. Alright, let's go ahead on over into that intro.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious. Idiots thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, no, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, no, not yet, whoa. I'm not gonna wake up.
Alright you guys, let me go ahead and introduce myself. My name is Atoya. I'm the wife of Douglas and the mother of Rayne, Mamie, and Ezekia. We are a family of 5 that does cleaning motivation, DIYs, and anything else a family does for a lifestyle. That's what we do, okay? So that you get all that motivation and inspiration from our videos here on this channel. If that interests you, go ahead and click that subscription box down below. Go ahead and like this video if you like our vibe, and don't forget to comment down below, and please make sure that you share to continue growing our family, okay? Thank y'all so much for being here, because time is precious. I won't be coming back until the end of the video, okay? So make sure you watch all the way until the end so you can see the final results of the table.
Lie with me, just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all love. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, know it's all love, know it's all love. I've been feeling like I'm feeling like a man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fan. just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all love. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
Already, y'all see? Hey y'all, I know I talked to y'all this entire video, been trying to be good, but do y'all see how he already put something on my table? I just got it out there. I didn't even get a chance to decorate it because I'm not going to decorate just yet. We have to get over here and clean up over here. I'm going to take the pallets down, get some weed blocker. I'm going to put some rocks under here, and then hopefully yeah, we're gonna figure out something over here. But the gazebo's okay. This way, this here, can y'all see right here, that right there, got messed up by one of the storms. It's been in since last year. Yeah, it's been in since last year. It's been a year. It's been up and doing good. We've been in there hanging out in there. Plan is for this table to go in there. Y'all know we still working on our backyard at Oasis. Let's see, that's to get the mosquitoes and stuff. Let's see what else. The pool is going through its motions right now. Doug is getting the stuff from off the bottom. I want to do something about here, but it has like a lot of grit and stuff on the bottom. The pH balance is perfect, but it has like a whole bunch of grit and stuff on it, so he's fixing that. Our fire pit, we might just have to buy a new one before the graduation party because it's dead. Fire pit's dead. And then he wants to paint the shed. So that's the shed and the pump house. So, yes. For those of you who are new, hey, how y'all doing? My name is Atoya. I'm the wife of Douglas and the mother of Rayne, Mamie, and Ezekia. This is our backyard. And we were doing some, we got this from Ikea a month or so ago. And we do how-to-dos here also with cleaning motivations and DIYs and lifestyle, cook with me, clean with me, all those things. We do those things together. I thank y'all for being here on this channel today, and thank you for clicking it. I really do appreciate it. We are growing slowly but surely, and I'm not even worried about it, y'all. I'm not. Whoever's meant to be here is meant to be here. This channel is meant for my girls, for when me and Doug are no longer here. If we were to leave this earth too soon, it's for anybody who misses me, anybody who was thinking about me, anybody who loved me and Douglas and the girls, if something were to happen to them. Memories about, you know, just us. So yes, y'all, my Dollar Tree fingers, yes, Dollar Tree and super glue. This hand been doing good. This hand, y'all know I'm right-handed, so this is my left hand, so that one popped off, but everybody else, it's pretty secure. Like really, y'all see I just did all that. I've been washing hands, do regular hygiene stuff, brush your teeth, washing hands, taking showers, all that stuff, and I haven't had any issues. And I like them this small. I don't like my nails long. I don't like to hear them clack, clack, clack. I don't like that. That stuff I don't like because I have to do a lot of typing for school. Anyways, I know I'm off on a tangent, but I'm just saying, yes, that's what happened. Dollar Tree nails, $125 for 2 packs because I got big fingers. I got wide nail beds, so I had to make sure I had enough of the wide pieces. That's why the pinky is so long compared to everybody else. Can y'all see? So yeah. I'm so happy. We gotta do some actual yard work soon. It's been a lot of rain though. A lot of rain. It's been a lot of rain. And let me know what's the temperature over at where you is. It is, Alexa, what's the temperature today?
Right now, it's 89 degrees Fahrenheit. Tonight, expect a low of 69 degrees.
Huh? I was ending the video. Okay, so let me go ahead and end this video. Y'all want to see my sexy chocolate? No. Oh my goodness. All right. If you haven't yet, go ahead and click that subscription box down below. Don't forget to like this video if you like my vibe. If you're new, thank you for being here. We appreciate you. Thank y'all for spending your time with us because time is precious. Sun is coming through because time is precious, and we appreciate y'all for being here and spending the time with us. And as always, we are the family that loves life and having fun and giving you the motivation and the inspiration that you need to live your life abundantly with God's love. We will see y'all on the tube. Bye, you guys.